Welcome back to my channel. I am Ruth, and today I'm going to bring you along as I plant out some cauliflower and squash. So this is the raised bed that I'll be planting in. Okay, here is where I'm going to be planting the squash and the cauliflower. This is one of the cauliflower, and this cauliflower is called snowball. At the back you have all the planting instructions and all the instructions at the bottom after your cauliflower has started to produce its florets. So let's go ahead and get this into the ground. I'm gonna dig the hole the same depth of the container that I've started the cauliflower into. And now in that hole, I'm gonna add some bone meal. I'm just gonna sprinkle a bit more of the bone meal just around the top. And the spacing, as according to the instructions on the packet, is supposed to be about 24 inches. So I'm going to put the other one in this corner. And now for the squash, I have two squashes, but I'm gonna plant out just one. This is the squash that I'll be planting. It's called the early prolific straight neck squash. And on the back you have all the planting instructions. Now that I've planted out the cauliflower and the squash, I'm going to be adding some fish emulsion, fish fertilizer. I've already made my mixture, and you'll follow the instructions on the back of your container. As you can see, I also have some iceberg lettuce, which are just starting to spring up. I also have some onions as well. The variety of onions I have are the red Denver and the Walla Walla. I have a Swiss chard. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something, and if you did, please give me a like to this video, which will help out my channel greatly. Please subscribe, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.